Alright, hello everyone. This is Silent Night 5820XL Test 3. I got a fairly unique combination of devices up for today, so let's go ahead and take a look at them. In the pull station spots, as you can see on the left, we have my Edwards 270 SPO, and on the right we have my Federal Signal MMPS pull station. The 270 SPO is in very nice condition, as you can see on it. It's not new, but it's in very, very good condition. Just a few scratches on it. This one I actually got new, which is pretty nice, which means I was able to get a key for it, which is kind of hard to come by. It says wind on it, and it's got a unique key code on it. I'm trying to find it on my key ring, but that's kind of hard. I can't focus. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. I'm getting sidetracked. Those are the pull stations. Yeah, there we are. Let's go and take a look at our notification appliances. So, up above here, as you can see, we have a fairly unique combination of devices. On the left, we have my FCI HES-STW horn strobe. It is set on the horn tone and is fixed at 1575 candela. And on the right, we have my System Sensor Spectral Alert Advance SR remote strobe set on 30 candela. That horn is coded to code 3 by the panel. I think I mentioned it was on horn tone. It sounds kind of like a Wheelock EHS CL1 or a Simplex 39236 or any type of horn similar to that. So you'll be hearing that today. Smoke detectors, we have obviously the two addressable Silent Night ones and my System Sensor 2WTR-B smoke and heat combination I3 with an external relay. So, with that said, let's start with the Federal Signal pull station. So you open this and pull down. And as you can see, both of those strobes are doing audible silence right there, which is pretty neat. They're way out of sync, but they look pretty cool. Alright, so next I'm going to do the test button on this i3, just with a screwdriver. You can see we have two alarms, and the last thing we'll do today is we'll key activate the 270 SPO or screwdriver. Do it the testing style. So you just put the screwdriver in the top and you turn it a little bit, and it opens right up, and you flip the switch for an alarm. Let's focus it real quick. Maybe. So you can see we've got three alarms, manual pull, 2-wire detector, and another manual pull. And it lists them in order that they were activated, as you can see. The one on the right is point 1, which was the first device activated. Speaking of which, we'll go ahead and reset this pull station. Once I find the key again. And you can put it in and turn it to the right to reset it. As you can see, when I pull it and you turn it, that handle pops back up. And you turn it to the left and it opens up all the way. And you can see inside of there, this thing right here is the switch. You can see it moving in there. And that's the inside the pull station there. So yeah. To close it, I put it back and turn it to reset. And that puts it back. Then obviously when you're done, you close the door and you're reset. So now if that's reset, and that i3 will reset automatically, we can reset the panel. Which will probably take a minute since we activate a detector. It does take this long to reset when you activate a smoke detector, because it has to reinitialize it. As you can see, the detector is already reset, but it takes the panel a little longer to reset, and it is done resetting. So, that's going to conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.